Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'll help you how to fix a could not create Apple ID. This iPhone has been used to create too many new Apple IDs. So guys, when you have create new Apple ID on your iPhone and facing this type of issue and not be able to create your Apple ID, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you have to open your settings, and guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After doing this, you need to go back, click on general, scroll it below, click on VPN and device management. And guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. And guys, maybe there is network problem, you have to reset your network settings from here. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. And guys, now you have to create your new Apple ID from these settings. So guys, if still facing this issue again and again, you have to open your app store here and click on your main profile icon. And guys, if you have login any Apple ID here, you need to sign out your Apple ID. And guys, you need to create a new Apple ID from your app store. And guys, if this method is not working, you have to go back and guys, open any other internet browser. So guys, for example, I am going to open here Chrome. And guys, here you need to search appleid.apple.com. And guys, you need to create your new Apple ID from this website, official website. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to create your new Apple ID. So guys, I've still not fixed your problem and facing this issue again and again, you have to go back and guys, click on your Apple Sport app, select your gadget here, scroll it down, click on more, click on App Store. And guys, after this, you will find this type of interface here. Simply you have to click on call. And guys, you will find these two numbers. So guys, first one, you need to call at this first number. And guys, if not responding, you need to call at second number and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.